Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to sketch the graph of a quadratic function written in vertex form. Let's begin. Sketch the graph of the quadratic function f of x is equal to the quantity x minus 1 all squared minus 4. And to do this, we're going to start by finding the vertex. F of x can be rewritten as 1 times the quantity x minus 1 squared plus a negative 4. This means that the vertex is going to be 1, negative 4. And I'm going to place a point at 1, negative 4. Part B, does the graph open up or open down? To answer that question, all we need to do is look at the value of a. A is equal to 1. Since a is equal to 1 and that is greater than 0, the graph opens up. Part C, what is the equation of the axis of symmetry? The axis of symmetry is going to be the x-coordinate of the vertex. So in this case, x is equal to 1. Now I'm going to place a vertical line through the vertex. This vertical line is not part of the graph. However, the graph will be symmetric about this vertical line. Part D, find any horizontal intercepts of the function. To find the horizontal intercepts of any function, we need to solve the equation f of x is equal to 0. So I'm going to set the equation equal to 0. And to solve for x, I'm going to start by adding 4 to both sides. Next, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and not forgetting the plus or minus symbol. And the square root of 4 is 2. So the two equations are x minus 1 is equal to 2, or x minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Solving the equation on the right will yield x is equal to 3. So one horizontal intercept is 3, 0. Solving the equation on the right will yield x is equal to negative 1. So the second horizontal intercept is negative 1, 0. Now I'm going to place points at negative 1, 0 and 3, 0. Part E, find the vertical intercept. A parabola will have exactly one vertical intercept, and that is found by evaluating f of 0. So that's going to equal 0 minus 1 squared minus 4, which is negative 3. So the vertical intercept will be 0, negative 3. Going back to the grid, I'm going to place a point at 0, negative 3. And then because the graph is symmetric about the axis of symmetry, I'm going to place another point at 2, negative 3. Part F, state the domain and range. The domain is going to be all real numbers because the quadratic function is a polynomial. For the range, the vertex is the lowest point on the graph, which is right here, highlighted in yellow, which means negative 4 is going to be the smallest value in the range. So in this case, the range is going to be negative 4 to infinity. Okay, so now that we have all of the information, let's go ahead and sketch the parabola. 5 points is perfectly fine when sketching a parabola. However, if you like to identify more coordinates, there will be another coordinate at 4, 5, and one more at negative 2, 5. These two coordinates are not necessary. However, you can place them there if you like. Now I'm going to connect all 7 coordinates with a smooth curve. And we are done.